Hi, welcome to an MCI Methods training video for Shop Methods. This is part 2 of the inventory training. The last video got chopped off a little bit there. We ran out of space and got a little long. But anyway, so we're back. We were looking at the inventory negative on-hand quantity report in its detail. This is it. And like I was saying, is you can get that emailed to you every morning if you wish. And that's that way every morning you can come into work and see what is available. So anyway, so we last video we covered the creation of inventory records based on parts, based on creating a part, uh, in an estimate and creating a part master data, or creating an inventory record based on an existing part and selecting it on the inventory page. So what we want to do now is discuss how to create purchase orders so that go out to the customer. Okay, so let's search here, and we have a variety of inventory, but let's take a look at the availability on some of these. We've got some negatives. So this one that started at negative is -1 and it's got 7 left. So let's order some more of those. So we're going to put a check mark there. This one above it is just -1 to begin with. And then we need lots of oil because we're -97. So we've got those selected, and let's get a forward fan clutch here. Okay. So we've got those selected. Now the next thing we need to do is look at the reorg quantity. This is what's going to be ordered from the vendor. So 5 is not going to do us much good when we got -97 if that number is accurate. First thing I do is if you get something weird like that, go check your inventory manually, and if it is out of whack, go make an adjustment. So let's actually do that. Let's go in. So we got 97. We did a recount inventory count adjustment, and we actually found a case with 90 back in the corner. Okay, so we put that in there. And this one's got a lot of stuff going on. So that gives us -7. So we still need to order some. Not quite as many. So let's go get the oil. Let's get these cooling fan belt and a depression accumulation tank, and let's get the fan belt and the fan clutch. I think that's okay. So we got -7 on this first one. We got 5. Let's go ahead and just get 20 because I think that's something that's going to go ahead and we're going to go through this pretty quick. We got -1 here. Let's get 4. And we got 10 there. That should cover us. 1 and 1. That's good. Okay, so we've got on our page what we want to create purchase orders for. Now, the interesting thing is you got to look at the vendor. So this one's Napa, GM Parts Center, and then we got JC Whitney for these two. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and do our reorder. So it's created these purchase orders. We need to go to our purchase orders, actually review them before they actually get submitted to the vendor via email. So if we go to purchase orders, so we have created these 3. So 7, 8, 9. And we can take a look at them. If we go ahead and open this one, everything looks good. You can see the details. What you can do here is you can actually save. You can make changes to it. You can actually add more parts and quantities. So if we wanted to choose one, let's union, whatever that is, we'll just choose 1. We'll add it to our purchase order, so that just got added on. We can also choose these trash cans and remove them. So the status is open. That means it is sort of in process with us. We haven't ordered it. So if I click order, what that does is actually creates an email that goes out to the to Worldpack, and it changes its status to ordered. So if I go to my email off screen here, let's see if we can pull this up. I'm going to shift it over to a different screen. See that if it came through, Okay. Okay, so neither one of that one was not tagged to go to me, so I'm going to go ahead and approve this one. I'm going to order that one. And my mailbox is blinging, and I'm going to go ahead and order this one too. And for kicks and giggles, I'll just do this one also. So we quickly approved and ordered those purchase orders. And I'm going to check my email. Okay. So I got, and apologize for my sizing on my screen. Let's pull this in. So you can see we've got a purchase order here, and it lists everything that we've got. And this can be set up to go directly to the vendor. And we can customize all of this on here to whatever makes sense to your shop. So that automatically, when we click the order, it went. We didn't have to go to the fax machine. We didn't have to go to email. We didn't do anything automatically. Okay. You got to have the vendor's information set up in the system correctly, but it's not that big of a deal. You can easily do that yourself, or we can help you out with that. So we're going to close that. Go back to our purchase order listing. So these things got off and they're being ordered. So a shipment comes in. Uh, let's go see World Pack. So something came in, and we need to actually let's go back and look at the. Sorry for jumping around there. Where was the oil? Was that? Oh, I don't know where that went. But anyway, let's go ahead and these Ford parts have come in. What you can do is it's been ordered. You can receive it. It comes in. The quantity in the box matches the quantity you've got. So both are 1 and 1. You can receive that. It's been received, so you can't receive it anymore. What you can also do is you can change that quantity. Or if they send you a package, so let's go back over here to one of these other ones. So it's also it's moved from our list of purchase orders. You can go up in here and see other ones. But if we go to this World Pack one, okay, so we got the depression accumulation tanks. We can say, or we got the Union. Let's say we got the Union. That's been received. So we got that. But let's say we only got 5 of these. Okay, so we received 5. There's still 5 outstanding. Okay. So I'm just making some notes on my pad here. So when we go back and look at the inventory, so that way, and then you can come back out here. So World Pack, it's still ordered. It's still pending. If we go back into it, we can see the Union here has been received. We can see the accumulation tank. 5 have been received. The quantity was 10. We've received 5. There's 5 to be received still. So we can just go ahead and receive the remainder. And we're done. And that closes the whole thing out. So if we go back out to our inventory, we can. So let's type in, let's just go ahead and search on it this way. So if we go look at our Ford fan belt, we just ordered one of those. You can see we've got some replenishments. One of them happened today. Today is 2/19/19. Okay, we got one in. If we go back out here and look at our accumulation tank, I think that also. So remember, we did 2. If you look down here, we've got 2 replenishment records for today. A couple minutes apart. So so the idea is maybe your vendor ships them in 2 different packages, or some get back ordered or whatever. They come in 2 different shipments. So 5 came in today, and maybe 5 come in another day. So you can keep track of that. Okay, so that. If we go back out to our inventory listing, I guess we never did reorder the oil. But anyway, so those quantities have gone up in our availability. So that's the whole idea of inventory. And you can run reports on it. You can export this to Excel or PDF. Uh, but as you do jobs, it'll decrease it. But you can see how, and you can always come in here and sort of see where you are. The biggest thing is getting that report that's mailed overnight on things that are negative. It's really helpful. So, anyway, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to give us a call. You can always shoot us an email or give us a call 770-652-8476, and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks so much, and thank you for listening.